Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Erica Loves Simple Cooking. So guys, today I'm gonna make some cornmeal dumpling and some curry fish. Come along with me guys. Yes guys, so now I'm gonna put some salt in the flour and I'm gonna knead it. Yes guys, I'm now finished kneading the flour, so I'm gonna put this down until my pot boil up to put the dumpling in it. Yes guys, I'm a Jamaican, so I'm gonna cook Jamaican food because that's all I know how to cook. Yes guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Erica Loves Simple Cooking. So guys, today I'm gonna make some boiled dumpling with some curry fish. The flour is already mixed, so the dough is ready to make dumpling. So now I'm gonna season up my fish. Yes guys, so the fish is already washed, so I'm just gonna add my some allspice, some seasoned salt, Maggi seasoning. This is dash. I'm gonna curry this guys, but the curry not gonna go on the fish. I'm gonna put the curry in some coconut milk, paprika, thyme, and I'm gonna put some jerk sauce. No, I'm gonna put the jerk sauce in the curry. Yes guys, so in the back here I have some callaloo that I cut from my garden. Not a lot, but I'm gonna steam it to go with the dumpling guys. Yes guys, so the fish that I'm doing is some codfish, but it's the fresh codfish, not the salt one. This is the one that I'm gonna make some curry. Yes guys, so there's coconut milk. So I'm gonna add the curry to this guys. Yes guys, so now I'm adding some jerk sauce, jerk seasoning, not sauce, jerk seasoning. And then I'm gonna add the curry. Yes, I have to make sure the curry is cooked guys, because if your curry is not cooked, it will run your belly. So I'm just gonna put this to boil a little bit before I put the fish. Guys, so I'm gonna let this boil. So yes guys, so while the curry is boiling, I'm gonna just add my fresh seasoning, which is tomato, garlic, ginger and sweet pepper, scallion and onion. So when all of this thing cook guys, then I'm gonna almost cook, I'm gonna put the curry, I'm gonna put the fish in. So I'm gonna let this boil for a couple of minutes, then I'm gonna add the fish guys. Yes guys, so now I'm gonna put the same thing, the ginger and everything, all that fresh seasoning in my callaloo that I picked from my backyard. And I'm gonna steam this down guys with the same all-purpose seasoning and some Mrs. Dash. Yes guys, so now this is boiling. I'm gonna add the fish. So it's gonna steam guys. So this is steamed fish. Yes guys, so there goes the steamed fish, curry fish, so it's steaming. So I'm gonna let this cook for a minute. Yes guys, so now I'm gonna put in the dumpling in my pot. So I'm cooking some chocho. So the chocho is in the pot already, so putting in the dumpling. Yes guys, so this is gonna boil for about 5 to 6 minutes, maybe 8 minutes tops. So I'm gonna let it come back guys. See you later guys. Yes guys, so I'm gonna taste the pot. I taste what is it in the pot. Whoa, what a cloud. Sorry about that guys. I'll tell you how it tastes. Tastes good guys, but it's spicy. Oh my lord. Yes guys, tastes good but spicy. Curry fish and dumpling for dinner. Yes guys, so the dumpling is boiling.